Today I'm going to be showing you how to install these grills. I just got them today and just want to show you how it works. So I'm going to be doing so with one hand because my other hand is holding the camera, but it's not so difficult. So the major thing is you need to take them out of the package. You need to take them out of the package, and then with this we'll be using this to this is warm water. It's not hot, just warm enough. So we want to be installing one of them, so I'll be starting with this. So we'll open this, and if you see inside, if you take a look inside, you can see how it looks. This is a real good one. But and then this one, this is the silicone. This is the mode you want to, why we need this one. So what you want to do first is to make sure you see how it looks now. This is the front side and this is the back side. I'm gonna put this inside this way. Just try to make sure it fits somehow. Yep. So, and then next you want to hold it with this one. Yeah, it fits better this way. You just need to find it, and then you need to be careful with holding it. So you put it in this. You just drop it inside. So we'll just drop it inside. But then you need to be careful because now the color will start changing, and when the color changes to quite so transparent, that's when you know it's ready. So you can actually see the colors changing. So when it becomes transparent from the original white color, that's when you take it out. I like it. You need to bite on it to get it in. So what this silicone actually does is to help you get a mold of the teeth itself. You know what I mean? Like, it's looking good, I think. Like, you need to get time to get used to it, and at this point you need to leave it on. You need to let it on, and you will see how it goes. But I like it. After this point you need to let it stay. That's what I wanted to say before I forgot. You need to let it stay so it becomes cold before you remove it. You know what I mean? So that's how it is. And I'll be doing the same thing for the other one, for the top side as well. So I'll show you. Same process, yeah.